Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Elocate Home, where we do everything home and garden. So, guys, this is the present state of my garden. We're now digging for a place where we're going to put our patio. We still have a lot of things to do, but slowly we are getting there. So we're still looking for some paving slabs. We haven't really decided on which one. We are looking for a porcelain stone, but we're not really sure yet. Those are some of the stones that we've been recently looking at. And I do like that middle one. We may actually go with that, but we're not 100% sure yet. Meanwhile, I went to B&Q to do some plant shopping. I love garden centers, guys. I just love just looking at the different plants, the different structures, the different colors. Oh my goodness, flowers are the most beautiful things in the world. I ended up picking a few, but I just really enjoyed just having a browse through, and they were also having a 20% off at B&Q, so that was lovely. So guys, at the moment I'm looking for color, so this is the place where I lingered the most. I'm looking at purple flowers, white flowers, pink flowers, and a bit of orange as well. So that's what I'm trying to create in my garden. I just love those colors together. So I'm now at home, and these are the plants that I brought from B&Q. I also had a few that I had bought from Morrison's and some other shops. So I've got a couple of planting to do in the next coming few days.